Hello there. I'm so excited to be with you in January 2019, a new year and a new kit for Elle Studio. First, I'm going to show you the kit contents. We have 3 different 4" by 6" tags. I love the colorful hearts and those cute cameras and the nice clean right now. There are 2 die cut sheets and they have lots of great things on them, like the little hearts, different sayings, lots of labels this time. These are the 3" by 4" tags. We have lots of beautiful teals, a little bit of pink, but you'll also see some purple and lots of navy too this month. I love that tag with all of the different colors on it. And that green, that kind of minty green, is so pretty as well. The blue Love This tag is another favorite, as is that stripe. And a nice purple there. So the first add-on I have to show you is the All My Heart paper stack. These don't have any adhesive on them so that you don't have to worry about tearing them out. Lots of awesome patterns and colors this month. Look at that, that matches that awesome tag in the kit. The colorful hearts again, a really nice deep purple, which you don't often find, teal polka dot, a nice diagonal stripe with all of the colors from the kit, and a pink and red stripe, and the ever so versatile grid, and a fun geometric, very neutral geometric. So those are all super usable patterns, come in 6x6s. Now these are the So Loved shipping tags, and what I love about them is that they're all black and white neutral so that you can use them on a monochromatic layout of just black and white, or you can mix them up and add to a bunch of color like the colors you find in the kit. So these are the Happiness Found stickers on the left and the January label stickers on the right. Happiness Found has lots of circles and sayings. These are the January labels. They're nice and long this month. Then we have the Week in Review journaling tags. These are perfect if you like to document by week and you just want to add a small amount of journaling. These are the best 3 by 4" tags to add to your pockets. Next up we have the Happy Heart stamp, and what I love about this stamp is that there's a striped heart, a outline heart, and those fun little dots that you can add all around your page. These are the Hearts and Stars acetate die cuts. How amazing are these? And you get so many in a pack. Like, look at this. You'll never be able to use them all. They're just amazing. And they come in all of the fun colors from the kit. There's even gray in there too. Pretty awesome. These are the Sweetheart Puffy stickers. This may be my favorite product for January. I love the heart bunting there. These are the black and white polka dot puffy alphabet stickers. It's a long product name, but don't forget about those. And then we have the XO confetti. How awesome are these? I can see you putting those in a pocket and sewing that up, or adding them to a shaker card for Valentine's Day. These are the wood veneer hearts, just outlines and solids. Then we have the linked wood veneer hearts. I use those on my layout this month. Love You acrylic, just nice white acrylic. You can color with an oil-based ink or marker. And then the January wood veneer, which you can buy separately. It also came in a 12-pack of all the months. Then we also have the On This Day in January tags. So here you can see all of the kit contents, awesome colors this month, still a lot of clean whites, clean designs, perfect for making your photos stand out on your project. And then we have the amazing add-ons that coordinate lots of wood veneer, new puffy stickers, stamps, shipping tags, stickers, and even those amazing acetate die cuts. So be sure to click the link in my video notes to head to the Elle Studio shop and pick up all of these goodies for starting off your 2019 documenting right while supplies last. Thanks so much for watching and happy creating!